Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of New Jersey State Police. A riot is taking place at the Lowe's parking lot on McLean Boulevard near Interstate 80 in Paterson, New Jersey. A massive crowd has gathered in the area, and the riot is spreading to nearby locations. All Interstate 80 exits to McLean Boulevard have been shut down. Everyone is being asked to avoid the area if at all possible. Residents living near the area are asked to prepare to evacuate if needed. Please stay tuned for more updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of New Jersey State Police. Rioters have broken into the Soundview Paper Company in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. They have stolen toilet paper from the building, and are reportedly toilet papering nearby buildings in the area. Police have also confirmed reports of toilet paper being set on fire and thrown at buildings. Everyone within a 1-mile radius of the Soundview Paper Company is being asked to evacuate the area in a safe and orderly manner. Please be aware that flaming toilet paper is a very dangerous weapon that can lead to serious injury. Please stay tuned for more updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of New Jersey State Police. Firefighters and police have dispersed the toilet paper riots in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. Firefighters were able to use water from hoses to disperse the crowd and put out the fires. It is now safe to return and begin cleanup of residences and buildings in the area.